In this video, I will show you how to allow only unique values in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have two columns, one for the product name and another for the product code. Now I want to create a validation that will allow only unique values in the product code column. To do that, I will use the Excel countif function. The countif function returns the count of the cells that meet the specified criteria. This function accepts two arguments, cell range and criteria. I will count all the cells in the product code range having the value entered by the user. If the count is greater than 1, then it is a duplicate value. For example, this countif formula will count the cells having the same text as the cell B3 in B3 to B6 range. This formula returns 2 because cells B3 and B6 both contain the same text P001. Similarly, this formula will return the count of 1 for cells B4 and B5 because the codes are unique and do not appear in any other cells in the range. Let's create a validation rule based on this. Select all the code cells, go to the Data tab and click the Data Validation icon to open up the Data Validation dialog box. Since we are going to create a custom rule, select the custom option from the Allow drop-down menu. Now we need to enter our validation formula that will return either true or false value depending upon the cell value. I will enter the same formula that checks if the value is unique using the countif function and checks if the count is less than 2. It will return true if the value is unique and false if not. I will pass the first cell in the range, that is cell C3, in the validation formula. Excel will automatically apply this validation formula to the rest of the cells in the selected range. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now, when I enter any unique item code, it works fine. But if I enter a duplicate product code like this, Excel will display an error message. The value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. I can press the retry button to edit the code or the cancel button to clear the entered value. We can also change the title and message of the error dialog box to make it clearer to users. To do that, select all the code cells again, click on the data menu and then click on the data validation icon. Now click the error alert option at the top of the dialog box. Make sure that the show error alert after invalid data is entered checkbox is selected. I will type the invalid code text as the title and the please enter a unique product code text as the error message. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now, when we try to enter a duplicate product code in any of these cells, we will get the error dialog box with our custom title and message. To remove the unique value validation from these cells, select all the cells and then click on the data validation icon again. Now click the clear all button to reset all the unique validation values we entered previously. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now these cells do not have any unique value validation restriction and we can enter any product code value we want. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.